Welcome back to Home Sweet Home. This elegant contemporary brand new house owned by George and his family at Trivandrum, Kerala. The box-shaped elevation is highlighted with beautiful cladding tiles and attractive CNC works. There is a car porch, sit-out, formal and family living areas, dining area, 2 bedrooms, kitchen and a work area in the ground floor, while the upper story has a living area, 2 bedrooms, balcony and an open terrace. This amazing abode with all the modern amenities is designed in an area of 3,230 square feet. The entrance door opens to a foyer. The formal living area is arranged on the left side of the foyer. The spacious hall, on the right side, is where the cozy family living area and the dining space are arranged. CNC partition installed between the drawing room and the dining area is an eye-catching feature. The modern kitchen that is furnished in grey color theme looks classy. The cupboards are done in plywood with glass finish. The countertop has been paved with artificial granite. The bedrooms are spacious and have lots of storage spaces. The bath-attached bedrooms have inbuilt wardrobes and separate dressing spaces too. Huge windows ensure that there is excellent ventilation inside the house. The courtyard beneath the stairway is a beautiful spot of tranquil which is adorned with spectacular indoor plants. The wall beside the stairway is highlighted with stone claddings to add a touch of rustic charm. This area is designed in double height to make it look and feel vaster. The gypsum false ceiling and the warm tone light fitting amazingly complement the elegant interiors. The balcony is the perfect spot to enjoy the fabulous scenes of greenery and warmth of the golden sun rays too. We hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to comment in the box your feedback and opinion about our videos.